Understanding auction ending time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to make your learning journey smoother and more enjoyable. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, auction ending time. Whether you're browsing online auctions or participating in one, understanding this term is crucial. Let's get started. An auction is a public sale where goods or services are sold to the highest bidder. It's a competitive process where participants bid against each other, and the item is sold to the person who offers the most money. Auctions can be held both in person and online, with each format having its own set of rules and dynamics. The auction ending time refers to the specific time and date when an auction is scheduled to conclude. This is the moment when no more bids can be placed, and the highest bid at that exact time wins the auction. It's crucial for bidders to be aware of this time to place their final bids and stand a chance to win the item they're interested in. Understanding the auction ending time is vital for several reasons. Strategic bidding. It allows bidders to strategize their bids, sometimes waiting until the last moment to place their highest bid in hopes of winning the item without escalating the price too much. Time zone awareness. For online auctions, it's important to know the auction's ending time in relation to your own time zone to avoid missing out on the opportunity to bid. Finality. Once the auction ending time passes, the opportunity to acquire the item is gone, emphasizing the importance of this deadline. 1. Set reminders. Use your phone or computer to set reminders a few minutes before the auction ends. 2. Understand time zones. Double-check the auction's time zone compared to yours, especially for international auctions. 3. Frequent updates. If you're bidding on an important item, keep the auction page open and refresh it regularly as the ending time approaches. The auction ending time is a critical component of the auction process, defining the moment when the auction officially ends and determining the winner. By understanding and keeping track of this time, bidders can enhance their strategies and increase their chances of winning. We hope this video has shed light on the significance of auction ending times and how you can navigate your next auction more effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy bidding!